mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. But the mouse came back again. He was small, but he was brave. Up the clock he ran once more. The clock struck 2, tick tock. The mouse looked around. At 3 the room was quiet. At 4 the moon shined through the window. At 5 the clock went tick tick tick, very loud. Hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. At 6 the cat was sleeping. The mouse was careful. At 7 he climbed higher. At 8 the clock rang again. The mouse got scared, so he ran back down. Fast, fast, fast. The clock struck 9. The mouse hid. The cat woke up and stretched, but the mouse was safe. Hickory dickory dock. The clock went tick and tock. Tick and tock. The sun came up. Hickory dickory dock. The clock went tick and tock. The sun came up. The house was warm. The clock kept ticking. The mouse went to sleep.
AJK Kids.